Now next definition is orthogonal system. What is orthogonal system? So two families of curves u x y which is equal to constant c1 and v x y which is equal to constant c2 are said to be orthogonal system. Or it forms a orthogonal system if each curve, if they intersect at right angle if they intersect at right angle at each point of intersection, so it is a one family of curve and it is a second family of curve. If they interact at right angle at each point of intersection, in that case these two families of curve are said to form an orthogonal system. So in that case they are forming the orthogonal system. Now just go to the next result. What is the next result? If f of z which is equal to u plus iota v complex function be analytic function, be a analytic function, then prove that the curves curves u equal to constant and v equal to constant, so they form a orthogonal families. Form a orthogonal families, so they form a orthogonal families. Now to prove this result, so it means the real part and imaginary part they form a orthogonal families, so their curves are right angle to each other at every point. Now since f of z u plus iota v is analytic, it implies it satisfies Cauchy-Riemann condition, which is a curly u by curly x curly v by curly y, curly u by curly y minus curly v by curly x. So it satisfies Cauchy-Riemann condition. Suppose let m1, which is a slope of tangent to the curve u equal to c1. Similarly, m2, which is a slope of tangent to curve v equal to c2. So v equal to c2, this is a slope of tangent. If slope of tangent u equal to c1, v equal to c2, so it implies their differential du, which is equal to 0, dv, which is equal to 0. So it is a differential. So what is m1, which is slope to u1? So this can be written as du by dx, so which is equal to minus curly u by curly x. Sorry, m1 is equal to du by dx, dy by dx. So this is a dy by dx. So this can be written as minus curly u by curly x over curly. So simply first just simplify the result, don't go to the next step. So this is du, so this can be written as curly u by curly x into dx plus curly u by curly y into dy, which is equal to 0. Here curly v by curly x into dx plus curly v by curly y into dy, this value is 0. So it implies, now from this curly u by curly x plus curly dx, curly u by curly y plus dy. So from this what we get? We get dy by dx, which is equal to minus time curly u by minus time from this dy curly u by curly x over curly u by curly y. So this is minus time this values dy by dx, which is minus time curly u by curly x into curly v by curly y. Similarly, this is a m1. Similarly, from this, which is a m2, so this is a dy by dx, again which is equal to minus, here it is minus time curly v by curly x over curly v by curly y. So what is this? It is minus ux over uy. And what is this? It is a minus vx over vy. So we get these values. Now product these two slopes m1 and m2. So what we get? We get m1 into m2, this is when we product, so we get plus ux into vx over uy into vy, this values ux into vx, uy into vy. Now by using the Cauchy-Riemann condition, this value is equal to -1. So ux equal to vy, vx equal to minus uy. So they cancel to each other, we get -1. Then it means this value is equal to -1. If this value is equal to -1, the product of slope is negative. It means curves are orthogonal. So m1 into m2, which is equal to -1. So families are orthogonal. Now next definition is harmonic function. Harmonic function. Harmonic function. So what is harmonic function? A function, any function, a function u x y is said to be harmonic. This is said to be harmonic if its partial derivative curly u by curly x, curly u by curly y, curly square u by curly x square, curly square u by curly y square, these are exist and are continuous and satisfy Laplace equation. So what is the Laplace equation? That is del square u equal to 0. So in two-dimensional, the equation is curly square u by curly x square plus curly square u by curly y square. This is equal to 0. So this is a Laplace equation. Now if it is a Laplace equation, then the function is harmonic function. Next definition is conjugate function. So next definition is conjugate function. So this is a conjugate function. If f of z, which is equal to u plus iota v, and this is analytic function, which is a analytic function. So this is a analytic function, and u and v satisfy Laplace equation. Right? Real part and imaginary part satisfy Laplace equation. Then u and v are harmonic function. Then u and v are harmonic function. If they are harmonic function, So in that case, then u and v are harmonic conjugate to each other. Harmonic conjugate to each other. So this is the definition of conjugate function. Now we will prove the next result. If fz is analytic function, then u and v are harmonic conjugate to each other. So that is our next theorem. So we will prove in the next lecture.